What do you get when you mix glam, grit, and a generous dose of lavishness? Today's topic, Khloe Kardashian's opulent lifestyle. From her multi-million-dollar mansion to her enviable car collection, we're diving deep into what makes her world so luxurious. Get ready to be inspired, Luxies. Welcome to Luxury of the Day, inspiring you to unlock your billionaire potential. In today's video, we'll be taking you on an exclusive tour of Khloe Kardashian's breathtaking lifestyle in 2022, unveiling her net worth, fortune, car collection, and so much more. But before we begin, be sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Now let's dive into the world of Khloe Kardashian. In 1984, Los Angeles, California welcomed the birth of Khloe Alexandra Kardashian, who would go on to become a significant media figure. Khloe first rose to fame in 2007 with the release of her family's reality TV show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians. She is a daughter of Kris Jenner and the late Robert Kardashian, and has two elder sisters, Kourtney and Kim, and a younger brother, Rob. She also has two half-sisters, Kendall and Kylie, born from her mother's marriage to William Bruce Jenner. The show, which ran for 20 seasons over a decade, aired on E! Entertainment and captured the dramatic lives of her large family. Like her siblings, Khloe capitalized on the reality show's success to launch her business ventures and accumulate wealth. She has also authored 2 books and appeared in other TV shows such as Revenge Body and Twisted Sisters, serving as executive producer for both, and the talent show The X Factor. Khloe is now a mother to 2 children, True and Tatum Thompson, whom she shares with her on-again, off-again partner, Tristan Thompson. Despite the scandal involving Tristan and another baby mama, Khloe chose to have Tatum born via surrogate mother. Currently, the 38-year-old celebrity is considered one of the most famous people in the world, having the 10th largest Instagram profile with over 300 million followers. And with such media relevance, Khloe Kardashian can enjoy a rather luxurious life. Net worth. Khloe Kardashian's staggering net worth, estimated at around $60 million, is a reflection of her success in entertainment, business, and fashion. Initially rising to fame through the reality TV show Keeping Up with the Kardashians, Khloe capitalized on her newfound popularity by pursuing various business ventures and endorsements. Her multi-million-dollar clothing line, Good American, has become a massive hit, catering to women of all shapes and sizes. In addition to authoring 2 books, Khloe has made appearances in spin-off TV shows, held executive producer roles, and leveraged her social media presence, all of which have substantially contributed to her impressive fortune. Mansions. Khloe Kardashian previously owned a stunning mansion in Calabasas, California, which was once Justin Bieber's home. Constructed in 2005, this property spans 1.3 acres and boasts 9,320 square feet of living space. When Khloe first bought the house, it featured an older rustic design with dark wood elements and intimate lighting. Following extensive renovations, she transformed the mansion into a more modern space, characterized by the white decor and a revamped luxurious home theater. The seamless connection between indoor and outdoor spaces remained, with a verdant backyard, swimming pool, hot tub, and picturesque mountain views. Khloe acquired the residence in 2014 for $7,200,000 and later sold it to Dorman in 2020 for a record-breaking $15,500,000. Khloe's most impressive property is her mansion in Hidden Hills, California, situated right next to her mother Kris's home. The 2 houses share a 1.5-acre lot, allowing mother and daughter to be close while maintaining their privacy. Initially, there was only 1 house on the estate, which was demolished to make way for the new structures. Khloe's residence is the larger and darker of the 2. In addition to her television and social media fame, Khloe Kardashian is a prosperous businesswoman leading a truly luxurious life. Enjoying the glitzy life of Khloe Kardashian? Before we continue, please hit subscribe, like, and comment below. Share your thoughts and share this video with friends to spread the Lux vibes. Thanks for your support. Now let's dive back into Khloe's fabulous world. Car collection. Khloe Kardashian is known for her love of luxury cars, and her collection doesn't disappoint. In 2019, Khloe splurged on a luxurious $350,000 Rolls-Royce Cullinan from the Platinum Group, quickly showing off the sleek SUV to her social media fans with the caption "Vroom Vroom." Equipped with a 6.7-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine that boasts 563 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque, the Cullinan provides a remarkably smooth and quiet ride for its passengers. Sporting 24-inch wheels, Khloe frequently uses this opulent vehicle as her family car, chauffeuring her daughter through in style. Also among her prized vehicles is a Ferrari 488 Spider worth around $260,000, a Platinum Range Rover SV Autobiography with an estimated price of $222,000, a Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG that costs around $200,000, a Porsche 911 Turbo S which has a starting price of about $200,000. Khloe also has a light blue Lamborghini Urus worth $218,000 and a white Lamborghini Aventador LP 740 that costs a whopping $450,000. Business ventures. Khloe Kardashian, leveraging her notoriety and entrepreneurial zeal, has launched additional lucrative businesses in addition to her clothing line Good American. Khloe and her sisters established the Kardashian Collection, a clothing brand with Sears that featured a selection of beautiful and inexpensive things in 2011. They also started a boutique store chain named Dash, which is now closed. Khloe has dabbled in the beauty sector as well, teaming with her sister Kylie Jenner's cosmetics brand, Kylie Cosmetics, to produce the Coco Collection, a collection of lip products. She has also collaborated and endorsed with popular brands such as Quick Trim, Skechers, and Calvin Klein, as well as released a fragrance line with her sisters. Television and media. Khloe Kardashian rose to prominence as a result of her family's reality television show Keeping Up with the Kardashians, which aired for 20 seasons from 2007 to 2021. The show was a huge hit, and it generated many spin-offs including Kourtney and Khloe Take Miami, Khloe and Lamar, and Kourtney and Khloe Take the Hamptons, which gave audiences an inside peek at Khloe's life, relationships, and companies. Outside of the Kardashian empire, Khloe has been involved in various TV projects. After hosting her talk show Cocktails with Khloe in 2016, she went on to host the fitness reality series Revenge Body with Khloe Kardashian, which ran for 3 seasons. Fashion. Khloe has always been in the spotlight when it comes to fashion as a member of the Kardashian family. She is known for her strong and sophisticated style, and she frequently dresses in high-end designer outfits, shoes, and accessories. Balmain, Givenchy, Chanel, and Christian Louboutin are among her favorite labels. She is also frequently spotted wearing Good American, her own apparel business that she co-founded in 2016. The company is well known for its wide size range and elegant, comfy designs. That's a wrap, Luxies. We hope you enjoyed this exclusive peek into Khloe Kardashian's luxurious lifestyle. Stay tuned for more glamorous content, and don't forget to subscribe and join our Lux-loving community. Until next time, keep living the high life, and we'll see you in our next video.